Hi classmates, my name is Chantel, and for today's persuasive speech, I will be persuading you in being able to help save lives by donating blood. Have you or anyone else around you ever had the thought of being able to donate blood in order to save a life? For today's persuasive speech, I will be going over the importance of blood drives, the benefits of blood donors, and how and where you can donate blood, as well as the requirements for donating blood. For the first slide, I will be going over the importance of blood drives, as blood drives are extremely crucial for our community in being able to save lives. Blood transfusions are helpful for car accidents as traumatic injuries, for cancer treatments, and patients in and out of surgeries, as sometimes they will be needing blood transfusions or immediate blood transfusions. In general, blood drives are extremely important in being able to save lives. For every 2 seconds, someone requires a blood transfusion. A fact about blood drives and blood donors is one donation can save almost 3 lives. Being able to save a life is truly is a gift that I would recommend being able to do. If you have the opportunity to be able to donate blood, I would highly suggest that. A few benefits for blood donors is being able to have free health screening. If you're not able to go to a provider or practice or anything to be able to get medical screening or anything revolving your health, I would highly recommend a blood drive, as they will be doing free health screening prior to even you being allowed to donate blood. After donating blood, after doing some research, it is noticed that it helps with a healthier heart, a vascular system. It does lower your blood pressure, and it reduces your risk for heart attacks. Blood drives are very beneficial to our community, as blood drives allow us to be able to continue helping in saving lives. Blood drives are very beneficial to being able to commute to locations and allowing other communities to donate bloods as well. According to a Columbia University Irving Medical Center, the website that I found this on is the surprising benefits of donating blood. There are many beneficial benefits in donating blood for the donators, as it comes with a free health screening, a healthier heart, a happier and longer life. Regular blood donation is linked to lower blood pressure and a lower risk for heart attacks. It definitely helps to reduce cardiovascular risk factors. I also did my research on where you can donate blood if you are unaware as to where you can donate blood. I have listed many different opportunities and options for you on where you can donate blood. These are the #1 recommendations as after doing some research. Of course, the #1 trust-funded donating organization would be the American Red Cross. Second would be America's Blood Centers. And then moving forward is the Gulf Coast Regional Blood Center, New York Blood Center. If you go to any local government offices, you can go in and ask questions as to where they will be holding blood drives, where you can get more information on blood drives and where you can donate. I know many local churches do donate blood drives. Of course, doctor offices and your local hospitals. These are just a few requirements you will be needing to you need to know prior to donating blood. You do have to be at least 17 years of age. Anyone underage, you will need a parent guardian consent. For anyone over the age of 19, you do have to weigh 110 pounds just for health reasons. Of course, you cannot be sick, and you must be free of any flu or cold, as you do not want to transfer any type of illness, sickness, to the person you will be donating blood to. It is highly recommended to have a healthy, balanced meal, as well as drinking plenty of fluids prior, during, and as well as after. Bring a valid ID in order to be able to donate blood, so they can identify as who you are. And prior to any donations, or prior to any blood transfusions, blood donations, anything, they will be asking you a few questions regarding your medical history background, and it is very important, so you are not transferring anything over to the person receiving, or to the receiver. That it is very important to be honest. In conclusion, I will be leaving you off with this quote. Remember, if you give blood today, you may be helping yourself or a family member in the future. You never know when an emergency will strike. As I highly recommend to take this into consideration for yourself, for a family member, or just a neighbor, as well as your community. It is very important to donate blood, as you never know whose life you will be saving. You never know when you yourself will be needing a blood transfusion, as we hope that it will never come to that, but you truly never know when that time will come. Here I have a facts and stats picture. Blood is composed of red cells, plasma, and platelets. If you yourself can be a donor, it is highly recommended to donate blood, as you never know who is in need of blood. Of course, as I said it before, every 2 seconds someone in the US needs blood. Here in this picture, it says 1 in 7 people entering the hospital will need a blood transfusion. Going back to the very first importance of blood drives, for those who are in traumatic injuries, car accidents, and currently in cancer treatments or in and out of surgeries, those are individuals who are at high risk and will always be needing blood transfusions. After this persuasive speech, I really hope I was able to persuade you in being able to donate blood. And it is very important for our community to continue donating blood. Thank you.